Imagine turning your ideas into breathtaking visuals effortlessly. This tool makes it happen. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Chief. Hi, I am Emily, and today we are diving into a revolutionary AI tool that's transforming how we create stunning visuals. This is Leonardo AI, your gateway to generating art, designing concepts, and creating unique digital masterpieces faster than ever. If you have ever dreamed of making professional-grade artwork without spending hours learning complex software, this tool is for you. Stick around to see how Leonardo AI works, its standout features, and why it is a must-try for creatives of all levels. Before we jump in, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular reviews and demos of the best AI tools out there. So, what exactly is Leonardo AI? In simple terms, it is an AI-powered art generation tool designed to create visually stunning images, illustrations, and concept designs. Unlike other tools, Leonardo AI combines intuitive controls with powerful customization options, allowing you to create artwork that truly matches your vision. Whether you are a professional designer, an indie game developer, or just someone exploring their creative side, Leonardo AI makes digital art accessible and effortless. Let's dive into some of the features that make Leonardo AI an impressive tool. Leonardo AI allows users to train custom models based on their unique style preferences. This is a game changer for professionals who want their creations to stand out. It provides diverse style options. From anime-style artwork to photorealistic landscapes, Leonardo AI offers a vast range of styles to suit every creative project. Need multiple versions of a concept? Leonardo AI generates multiple high-quality variations in seconds, perfect for brainstorming or prototyping. Moreover, it also provides easy integration. You can export your designs seamlessly into tools like Photoshop or game development software, making Leonardo AI an excellent addition to any workflow. Like any tool, Leonardo's AI has its strengths and limitations. Leonardo AI has a user-friendly interface that makes it perfect for all skill levels. It offers an extensive library of art styles. The tool can train custom AI models. It also provides fast image generation for quick results. On the flip side, to access the tool's advanced features, you require a subscription. Output quality may vary depending on the complexity of the prompt. Leonardo AI offers a free version to get started, giving users access to basic features. For advanced tools like custom models and higher resolution outputs, there are premium plans starting from $12 per month. In summary, Leonardo AI is an incredible tool for anyone looking to streamline their creative process or experiment with digital art. If you are ready to take your designs to the next level, give Leonardo AI a try. You will not be disappointed. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Chief for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest AI tools. See you in the next one.